Village of Pittsford is spending tax dollars to repeatedly clear out a business's grease trap on Main Street. The reason? Well, to prevent it from blocking sewage lines. News 10 NBC's Chris Fortune joins us live on Main Street. Chris, why are taxpayer dollars on the hook for this?
Right now, there aren't rules in place to make sure businesses dispose of grease properly. So the village board is working on legislation to make sure it can recover the cost of clearing out grease traps. I spoke to a board member about this today. Village board member David Wilkes says the Department of Public Works has been forced to pick up the slack.
We are going in and we are actually going to help and clear out those blockages. And unfortunately, that's on the village taxpayers' dime at the end of the day, which is obviously not right.
In Tuesday's board meeting, the superintendent of public works said a crew is coming down weekly to clear a grease trap in front of the Del Monte Lodge.
We've had just about a weekly problem there where we're taking out material that shouldn't be in there, that's somehow making it down the drain.
That can lead to blockages in the village sewage lines, which public works staff have to go fix.
That type of issue takes them away from their core job, which again is helping to make sure that our village is the beautiful place that you see here.
Last month, a Burger King employee in the town of Greece was caught pouring gallons of grease into a storm sewer.
I think it helps that obviously this happened so close to home in the sense that it puts a public eye on the issue, the problem, the severity, the importance of this.
The village board voted unanimously on Tuesday to update its code. Wilkes said he hopes it's approved quickly so the environment and the town, or the village, stay clean. Live in Pittsford, Chris Fortune, News 10 NBC.
Thank you, Chris. The village attorney will begin working with the code enforcement officer and the superintendent of public works to develop the legislation. Let's go in depth now on why grease in sewer systems is such a big deal. First, it's expensive for taxpayers. Oil and grease create what are called fatbergs, which cause 90% of sewer system blockages and cost New York City more than $18 million every year in cleanup costs. Grease can also create sewer overflows, which pollutes rivers and streams.